Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Instagram account suspended. For example, if your Instagram account has been suspended and if you want to recover or reactivate your account back, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. When Instagram suspend someone's account, then this kind of screen shows on their account on iPhone. So how you can fix that? So there are two options available. The first one is chat with us and the second one is disagree with the decision. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go for the disagree with the decision, and you can also have a chat with the Instagram team that you have not violated any community guidelines, and you can also confirm your account that you have they have disabled your account without any reason. So this account is not visible to people. So what you have to do, you have to simply reactivate as soon as possible because there are time remaining. So if you doesn't apply for reactivation, your account will be permanently suspended. So what you can do now, if you have already tried the chat with us and disagree with the decision, then what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after that you have to simply open Safari. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open a new tab here, and here what you have to do, you have to simply search for Instagram Help Center, and here you have to simply go for Instagram Help Center and try to search for that problem that shows on Instagram Help Center or not. So here you can simply search for that problem, account suspended, and after that you have to simply check whether this option is available, that you can simply reactivate your suspended account or not. So here you have to click on that, and you have to simply click on disabled Instagram account, and after that they will tell you all the details about the issue. So here what you have to do, if someone has gained access to your account or you have unable to log in, you can simply click on that, but you have to click on was this helpful, and you have to click on no, and after that you have to click on solution doesn't work. And here what you have to do, if you click on solution doesn't work, there will be option available that you can simply report that problem to Instagram team, and you can also attach the screenshot of the problem, and you can simply attach any email that Instagram team connect to you. And after that you can say, hello Instagram team, when I try to log in my account, and or you can tell all the details, and after that you have to click on submit after providing your email. So in this way you can simply solve this error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe.